Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Monica. I'm here planning for the week of May 17th through May 23rd. Yes, I know that says October, but I'll show you that in a minute. I'm using this beautiful butterfly kit from Cupcakes and Stickies that I got from her shop. I'm just putting the date labels or the dates in the labels, and I'm just going to place the labels where they correspond. This kit is beautiful. It is hollow foil. I fell in love with it when I saw it. So yeah, I'm really enjoying right now planning in my vertical planner. Again, I am not abandoning my horizontal. Don't think that. I'm still a horizontal girl. I'm just trying to find new ways to plan. So now I'm just trying to put on the bottom washi. I did mess this side up. Side note, this is not advertised as removable washi. Remove at your own risk, as I did. And I still messed it up. Sad, I know. So now I'm just putting it on the left hand side, which I did a little bit better, I must say myself. It all came out cohesive and okay, I think. So now I'm just whiting out the October 2022. I started using this planner a little bit early. I'm using October and November of next year as May and June of this year, just to test it out. And this kit comes with 6 full boxes. It does not come with 7, which is okay. So I'm just placing down the boxes Monday through Saturday. And these are so beautiful, you guys. This hollow foil is amazing. Her paper is so buttery and so smooth. I think they call this quote unquote unicorn paper. I love it. And now I'm just going to place this weekend banner down by Chrissy Ann Designs. It is so cute. I thought it went with the kit very, very well. Now I'm just putting in some of the boxes that come with the kit in just random places. There's no rhyme or reason. And I'm just adjusting that top box right there. And you'll see in another clip what I'm going to do with that. I'm putting down some habit trackers. And on the side there, she has some hexagons, some circles, and some squares. So I just used that in that particular order, and I'm using some more boxes, and I'm using these page flags, which I am going to fix here in just a second. So you guys just hold tight. I promise you it will get fixed. Okay, but I was trying to pull that up and was unsuccessful, and I'm just whiting out that October box, so there are no signs of October on this page. And I'm just laying down that box along with another habit tracker and then another page flag. And so far I like the way I am planning this. Again, there's no rhyme or reason as to where I'm laying down the stickers, just where I feel like I need them or not need them, but where I think they look good. So that is it for this particular part. I'm just, laying down boxes. So yeah. So have you guys got your seasonal surprise box yet? If not, at the time of this recording, the seasonal surprise box is still available. So I will have a link in my bio for the seasonal surprise box, and you're going to see me write that in here in just a second. Now, this is another day that I'm filling this out, and I'm just putting out my workout plan right here. And where I have the hexagon, the circle, and the square, I'm putting out what workouts I want to do, which is EB30X. He is a guy out of Chicago that I follow on Instagram, and I have his workout DVD, Walk. And then this person I found on YouTube, her name is Body for Days by Jerica. I think I'm pronouncing her name right. I love her. She is amazing, and I love doing her workouts. They're 30 minutes. They're not that hard to do. So now I'm just putting that coffee Loretta on Monday to signify coffee time, because Lord knows if I don't have my coffee on Monday morning, it is a mess. And right here, you're watching me put down or write in the EC seasonal surprise box going live. Again, it is still available at the time of this recording. Link will be in the bio. Yes, shameless plug. So now I think I was looking for a coffee time sticker. I'm not really sure, but I couldn't find one, so I forwent it. And then I just put in there that I needed to meal prep, and I'm going through my Lorettas that I have. I love using these Those and also Paper Code. Those are two of my favorite character stickers. I love them. Oh my gosh, I love them. So I'm just putting that salad bowl down to signify that I do need to meal prep. And I just went ahead and put NJ was going to be virtual on Wednesday, which next week is their last week of school. My baby will be in the 8th grade. So I just put down I need to call my cardiologist, which I did not do. My cardiologist is upset with me because I was supposed to be in his office in December and I have yet to call him back. So I marked that I had a therapy session at 5 o'clock on Monday, which I got an email stating it was Tuesday. Go figure. I'm always messing up something. And then on the weekends, on Saturday mornings, NJ always cleans the garage, and him and his dad cleans the lawn or does the lawn. And I'm just using some scripts and some Loretta's from my sampler that I had with cupcakes and stickies. My time was up for PR with her shop. But whenever she opens it back up, I will reapply and hopefully I will get it, you guys. So I put that girl, I'm busy on Friday because I'm not going to want to be bothered on Friday. I already know I've been sick all week, as you can hear in my voice. I just don't want to be bothered. And then I put on Tuesday that NJ does have math tutoring in the afternoons. He was out all last week, so he is now making up assignments. And then I got to order that Monday for cupcakes and stickies. And I just put that May sticker down and that coffee sticker down. And then I put that I have morning duty all week. And TJ is working on a special project for work. So we were going to be just scrambling all week long. And I did put an arrow to signify that my therapy is on Tuesday and not on Monday. And I put a cleaning time sticker from Planner Kate, which I got those stickers the same day, which I'm so excited about. And I just put the things I wanted to clean on Tuesday. And then you were supposed to see this plan with me on Wednesday, but your girl got sick. So I'm here on Thursday night doing this voiceover. Hopefully this will be up in the AM, which will be Friday morning. And I just signified that today is trash day. Now, I filmed all of this on Monday. You were supposed to get this plan with me on Wednesday. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. And now I'm just going through my Oso paper stash and getting out of grocery. Courtney with the big hair. I love her. I think she represents me well. And then I have this sleep in sticker from Oso paper, which I probably doubt I sleep in, but I always schedule it because who does not want to sleep in? And then I have that planner girl right there just to signify that, hey, Sundays are my planning time. I try to get everything down that I need for the week. And yeah, and you're going to see me right in planning time right here. We usually do church virtually on Sundays right now. We have went to church in person one time since everything's been back open. But that was because we got a new pastor and they did a mini meet and greet. And then I'm just doing the things that I need to do on Sunday, which is iron, work on my lesson plans, and update my grades. It's almost the end of the year. Hold on, teachers. And then on Wednesday, I put a PLP meeting. And that is it for this plan with me, you guys. Thank you for joining me. And in the meantime, in between time, be safe, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye.